Hi, in this video, I will try to explain you that what are CSS selector and how can we use in our project. So this is simple HTML layout and file type is PHP. It doesn't matter. And let me show you the output of this file. So here you can see we have two elements. One is H1. So here in the style, and let me add the CSS property. Color suppose yellow. So you will see this all element. I mean, now there is only two, but both of color should be yellow. This is because we are adding the property of body. It's mean the selector will select the all element which are inside the body, and then it will add the CSS property, the color property, which is yellow. So now let's suppose if I'm going here and I'm saying to CSS file, like I need the color red for H1. So let me show you. Now you can see the color has been red after adding this property. So suppose what if we have a div and inside we have some same elements, and now let me show you what can be the result. Let me show you what is the result of these elements, and you can see the same results are showing in this page. This is why, because we don't have any style for this specific div element, we are going to add, of course it will be override. So let me add some style property div and then steric. It's mean select all the element which parent element is div. So color, and now we have gray. So we are expecting these two text color should be gray. So here you can see the color has been gray, and now if we have any specific ID, we can also select the element through ID. Suppose sidebar, and in the sidebar we have same element, and now let's check the result. These are also gray, but here we are going to make it orange. How we can do it? We have now ID of for this div element, so we can use it here. How we will select the element which has ID sidebar? So let me show you. We can do like this, and then again steric, which means select all element inside this div element, and now again color orange, and let me check, it has been orange. And these are the CSS selector which you can also use in the jQuery or JavaScript to select the element by CSS selector. Thank you so much for watching it, and I hope you like it. If this is helpful for you, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.